Hi, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video. So today's video, I figured it would be something fun that I haven't put on my channel in like, I want to say like 2 or so years. But yeah, I have a new like brush cleaning and beauty blender cleaning routine. But yeah, I figured I would upload a video so that way you guys can see how I clean my brushes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get started, but before I do, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys go ahead, click that notification bell as well, as that lets you guys know when the next time I upload. And yeah, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so it has been a hot minute since the last time I've done a voiceover, so I figured I would do one in this video. So what you guys are going to need is any type of bar of soap. Of course, I'm using Irish Spring. But yeah, so first off, I am cleaning off my beauty blenders. So I'm getting them nice and warm and soaked up with water, and then I'm just literally scrubbing them against the soap. And as you guys can see, the foundation residue is coming out, and I'm just wringing it out, and there you go. Honestly, this trick really does work, and it literally makes your brushes spotless and clean, and your beauty blenders stain free. And I do believe I found this trick either on another YouTube video or on Pinterest. I can't really remember, but instead of spending, you know, like maybe $10-15 on a brush or beauty blender cleaner, all you really need is just a bar of soap, and it works. Not to mention, it kind of gets rid of any bacteria and stuff like that that could be in your beauty blenders or brushes as well. One major trick as well that I tend to do is I'll take the bar of soap and run it underneath the water, as well as scrub out the foundation and stuff like that in my brushes. But yeah, as you guys can see, that's literally what I do, and it works. So this is pretty much it for my voiceover, so I'm just going to play some music, and yeah, you guys can see that this is how I clean my brushes. And hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up for me, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.